G'day YouTubers, how yous going? Just want to let you know that I'm the #1 clickbait on the internet, making millions. This is how you do it. You just got to clickbait everyone. If you're going to do it, you've got to do it properly. So people just go, yeah, that's the way. We've got to click that. We've got to watch that. But you're not allowed to watch this video until you like and subscribe. Otherwise, it's not fair for me because I've put a lot of effort and time in making this video. So you should really put the time and effort in to support my great cause. Okay? So don't muck around. You hit that button now. Don't think about it. Just do it. I'm telling you. You won't feel sorry for doing it in the future. You will be thanking me. It all comes down to it in the end. You just got to make an effort, and I'll make an effort. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's see what the shit. Where the